Welcome to another video as part of the Pavilion video series, Elasticsearch Performance Testing Results. I am Kostas Apopoulos, the Chief Field Technology Officer and Worldwide Vice President of Business Development for Pavilion Data. In this video, we'll be comparing running Elasticsearch running on a server with internal NVMe drives and compare that exact same server leveraging NVMe-over-Fabric TCP and NVMe-over-Fabric-ROcE to a Pavilion storage array. We'll be demonstrating that both in a bare metal environment as well as a VMware 7 environment leveraging NVMe-over-Fabric-ROcE. Elasticsearch running on Pavilion delivers 109% the documents per second, 147% the operations per second, showing that shared storage that's high performance and low latency like Pavilion can deliver more performance than that same application running on a server with the drives physically inside that server. That same ecosystem running inside of VMware gives you all the benefits of VMware delivered on Pavilion, is 100% the documents per second and 47% the operations per second. So Elasticsearch delivers more with Pavilion. Let's drill in a little bit into that test where we're comparing running Elasticsearch running on a server with internal NVMe drives, and then take that exact same server and put the data physically on a Pavilion external storage array, leveraging different protocols. The tests below show when we run it with NVMe-over-Fabric-ROcE, the next group NVMe-over-Fabric TCP, and the next group is running it on VMware, leveraging NVMe-over-Fabric-ROcE. The blue column is documents per second, the orange column operations per second. Again, Elastic runs faster and better on Pavilion. As we drill in a little bit deeper, we compare that local storage inside the server to the storage in an NVMe attached storage array to Pavilion. You get all the benefits of shared storage with all the performance of local attached NVMe drives. So we ran the track event, again, relative to internal and RAID 6 on every one of the servers with the drives physically inside the servers. You can see that NVMe-over-Fabric-ROcE delivered 109% the documents per second, 147% the operations per second. And NVMe-over-Fabric-ROcE with VMware delivered 100% the documents per second, or the same, at 47% the operations per second. All the tests were relative to the server with NVMe internal drives. It was a mixed workload of 70-30%. So as we summarize this test suite, server with the NVMe drives physically inside the server running Elastic, to a server, that same server, running NVMe over Fabric to a Pavilion storage array, giving all the benefits of a shared storage array, the ability to scale the Elasticsearch compute nodes to the Elasticsearch storage requirements. All the benefits of shared storage with similar or same or better performance than the server with the drives physically inside of it. We used Rally and the event type to do the test. It was all relative to those internal drives with RAID 6. And this chart shows the performance, again, relative to the server with the drives inside of it, that NVMe-over-Fabric-ROcE to Pavilion delivered 109% the documents per second, 147% the operations per second. In a VMware ecosystems, it delivered 100% the documents per second at 47% the operations per second. All tests were relative to the server with the NVMe internal drives. Two Elasticsearch servers were working in a cluster. A single Elasticsearch Rally server was used to generate the workload. And again, all tests were with dual parity data protection. So bare metal, Pavilion NVMe-over-Fabric delivers better results than the same server with internal NVMe drives. Virtualized with VMware, Pavilion NVMe-over-Fabric delivers similar documents per second at the same server with the internal NVMe drives, but gives all the flexibility and functionality you get with a VMware ecosystem. At the end of the day, Elasticsearch runs better with Pavilion. Thank you for watching this video as part of the Pavilion video series. If you want to learn more about this topic or others, check out our other videos at www.pavilion.io. You can also reach out to us via email at info@pavilion.io, or you can always call us on the phone. We'd love to talk to you about how Pavilion can help you solve some of your most challenging storage-related problems and help you deliver incredible business outcomes to your customers. Thank you.